So these are our Mercedes fiber optic splicing vans. In this we have the Xantrex 3000 watt inverter, and then we have the two 125 amp hour Xantrex batteries in it, also lithium. On our fiber optic trailers, they all come with a generator in them, and they use those separately. Here they don't want the vehicle just sitting here running all the time trying to generate electricity, so that's why we want to have the solar. A lot of times we're also doing some of this work, it's like kind of like emergency work on the side of the road. Could be in a mountain, could be anywhere, and they want to be able to use the solar power. One of the big advantages of our splicing vans versus the trailers is we also have a alternator we add into the engine. So while they're driving to the work site, that is generating electricity, it's charging the batteries. So then when they get there, they can actually turn that off. They can use the air conditioner here in the unit as they're splicing and operate off of that, which is better for many reasons. We don't have an extra generator that takes up a large amount of space. And then also with that generator, they would be using gasoline or diesel sitting there on the side of the road. So we can reduce the carbon footprint doing that also.